Music sets the tone for your videos. Here are 6 places you can go to get great music for your videos. Before we jump right in, it's important to note that you can't just use any music you want in your videos. When you hear a popular song used in a commercial, for example, the video producers paid a royalty to the creators of that music, so the producers could use that music in their video. Royalty-free music lets people like us use music in our videos without having to pay over and over. Let's look at a few great places where you can get royalty-free music to use in your videos. Number 1, Camtasia. Camtasia comes with a library with free assets and a link to buy more. Number 2, Music for Makers. Musicformakers.com offers a free song every week, or you can choose to get a paid subscription to use every song in their library. Premium Beat. If you're making more professional videos, cough up a few extra bucks and pay for an amazing track. They have tracks that are longer, shorter, and loops. Number 4, Audio Jungle. AudioJungle.net has hundreds of thousands of songs and sounds that you can purchase. No Copyright Sounds. SoundCloud.com/NoCopyrightSounds is a popular destination for downloading free, upbeat music. Number 6, Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound lets you download separate tracks in a song so you can take out things that don't fit, like that synth flute or vocals. No matter where you get your music, be sure to play by the rules. Use only tracks that you have the right to use. And if the license requires attribution, be sure to tell your viewers where you got the music.